Welcome back, guys. For today's video, we're going to be making something a bit healthier. It's going to be a salmon bowl with lima bean. Here's some of the ingredients you'll see me use. I have here our green lima beans, some tomatoes. You're going to need some fresh squeezed lemon. I have some fresh mint and some fresh Italian parsley, some of the Oh My Spice seasonings. You will need some olive oil. I have here extra virgin olive oil. Also some red pepper flakes for our sauce and some sesame seed. And of course, here are salmon. Stay tuned. Some additional ingredients that you'll need. Alrighty, you guys, so you will need a few additional ingredients to spruce this up. You can add olives. Here I'm going to add some onions and some blue cheese, or you can use feta cheese or gorgonzola cheese, which is what I have here, or you can do a mix. And then just cut up those other veggies that you have, which include the mint and the Italian parsley. And then here I have fresh lemon for the juice for the sauce that you'll see me use. Stay tuned. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and add in your lima beans to this. Add these into your bowl. Next, you're adding in your salmon to it, guys. Salmon that we put in the oven, just chopped up there. Salmon pieces to this, and then we're going to add in the rest of our ingredients as well. So now you're going to add in those tomatoes.